Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to convert group members to customers. Let's get started. Facebook groups are a good place to find target audiences for a specific niche. If you have a community of users who are interested in a specific niche, then you can easily share relevant content to these users, connect with them, and build their trust. Once they trust your brand, you can expect them to be your loyal customers. Use Facebook Live to connect with your audiences. If you need to create a brand awareness in your group, you can introduce your products or services in a live broadcast. Doing this can help your brand reach a deeper connection with your potential customers. Live broadcasts can help you connect with your viewers in real time. It's great for announcing a promotional event, upcoming product launch, or show behind-the-scenes videos regarding your business. You can also create polls inside the live broadcast to get your viewers' feedback in real time. Next, give your members a taste of what they can get from your products or services. When people are already a member of your group, you can offer them a free trial or a free service. If they have tried your products or services, it will have a tendency that these users will ask for more. Since they are trying it for free, the features of the products or services will be limited. If they enjoyed using it and value your product, then they are more likely to convert into paying customers to enjoy the full benefits of purchasing the products or services from your brand. Next, share a link where people will be redirected to a landing page. A sales page is where your leads can be converted into paying customers. It contains a summary of the product, what benefits that they can get when they purchase it now, and they can also get feedback from the other people who have tried your product. These can help them decide to take action and buy it now. Next, create an urgency. Set a deadline for a limited time offer. If you're offering a discount promotional offer, then you can inform the users about the duration where they can avail your products or services at a lower price. Everyone loves to get discounts. They won't pass up on that kind of offer. A limited promotional discount can help make your clients take action and be your paying customers. Also, when people learn that your products or services are scarce, they are more likely to take action. It can influence people to buy now, or they will miss out on the opportunity to try your products as well. Next, keep on sharing relevant content with your group members. Don't just sell your products or services right away. You can easily get your group members' trust when they learn something from the posts that you share. You can share how your products or services can be beneficial to them and how it can be helpful to their lives. Next, share customer feedback. You can ask your regular customers to share feedback about how they liked your products or services. Doing this can help you attract your group members to try your products and services as well. Once you grow your Facebook group and kept your group peaceful with relevant content and maintained an engaging community, you can easily get tons of new clients from your Facebook group. Now that you know how to convert group members to customers, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Facebook Group Tools. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.